Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the Etsy seller fees. Alright, let's begin with the video. The first fee that you'll get charged on Etsy is a 20-cent listing fee. So every time you list a new product on Etsy, you get charged 20 cents. And this gives you your item being for sale on Etsy for 4 months. And when you're making that listing in the first place, you can select to either have auto renew or manually renew at the end of the 4 months or not. Just so you know, when there is multiple items, you get multiple fees for the same listing. The next fee to know about are the transaction fees, and that is being updated. The Etsy fee used to be 5% of the total sale, but it is just now getting updated to 6.5. So this is normal and still a lot less than the 15% that Amazon charges. The next fee is going to be Etsy payment fees. So every time someone purchases something, and this is in the United States, this part actually changes depending on what country you're in. The payment fee for the US is a flat 25-cent rate for every sale plus 3% off of the total sale price. So you take that off of the amount that you're selling as well the last fee. So that's basically all about the Etsy seller fees. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.